Hey all, today I'm going to show you how to fix the floppy visor, meaning that when you put the visor like this, it doesn't stay up. Then one way was like we used to just put it like this, and then it used to be okay. So I followed some YouTube videos and tried to fix it. First thing was use the Velcro. Here you can see that the fabric glue we used, and then that kind of melts and come off when its temperature is high. And also there was another option was to put the um, Velcro in this, after takeoff. But this is not of that kind of. There is a step here, then you could use that. And other one was use the zip ties insert into the this thing, and then it worked for some people, I guess. But in my case, I tried everything, nothing worked. So finally, here I am. I'm using magnets. So if you look at this one, probably you may see some cotton cloth on it. Just want to protect the magnet not to break, but I'm going to take that off soon. So these are the two magnet that comes with the screws and a hole in the screws in it. So that's really working well. So I'll show you how it's working. So now um, right, so it stays there. So hopefully this is going to stay long, and my only concern is how it's going to be if there is a high temperature or when I parked outside. I mean, the reason I'm saying is these magnets are really brittle. When I try to open it, and a couple of them kind of um, stuck to each other and then couldn't pull, and then those were break. I mean, those are easily breakable. So few things to remember before you fix it. Make sure that you buy the magnet that you really, probably it's going to take a couple of dollars, more than $2 to $3. And with this one I bought in Amazon, that I'm going to put the link below and also show you the size of it. Seems these are little stronger. I don't think you really need this stronger magnet. So here's what I realized as I'm trying to put them together. So here, if you see that these are kind of not overlapping, what I'm doing is, I put them in side by side. So if I try to put one on other, if I try to fix it in such a way that um, if it directly goes, the other one goes on the top, it's hard to pull it down, and I had to really work hard. I feel like these magnets would come out of this visor as well as are from the top. So what I've done is like put side by side, and still those are pretty damn good. If you see this, these are like, it stays there. Okay, this is what happens if you try to put one on the other. So, oh boy, this is not easy to uh, pull them. So one way is to slide them. Even sliding is not an easy. So I'm trying. So also my hands are a bit sweaty, and then it doesn't seem like it's working. Okay, finally, here those are. Otherwise, this is what I tried. Like, just try to make sure those are not on top of each other. Otherwise, if you can put it adjacent to each other, it doesn't need to touch. Even like this, if you, even these are strong, like even if you try to put a little bit away, still should work fine. Okay, these are the magnets that I bought at Amazon, and these comes with few things. This is a plastic just string, just to not to snap hard. In case if you put one on the other, you may have to glue these to those. So in case if it kind of snap hard, then those may break. And this is what you see that one of it was broken, and otherwise these are the magnets. think these are, if you look at the measurement, 1.26 dia and then 0.2 inch height, and then and one last thing to remember when you are tightening these, and the reason I put a cotton cloth on it, like, it might, if you try to tighten it too hard, it may break. So that's the reason. Try to put some cotton when you're trying to screw them, and then in the center, near in the hole. So when you tighten the screw, it doesn't break the magnet. So also one other thing. Sorry, that was not the last thing. So I'm kind of um, unknown how it's going to be during the hot days. Like, what is it? Is there a possibility that it can break? So I was thinking probably I would have put in the zip lock and then tighten them, even in case of that breaks, that still stays intact and the pieces are within the zip lock. Hope it's gonna help you. Thank you.